Knowing the works of Lead It Africa, we invited the team from Lead It Africa, which was led by the director, Dr. Herman Adey, to have a workshop on us as to how we can implement the strategic plan of the college, that is 2020-2024 strategic plan.
The entire program has been very exciting. Initially, we had a feeling that the program was too loaded. We are coming to relax. Why give us just such a loaded program? It's very exciting, very interactive, and above all, very useful.
The first program we had was an eye-opener, and that energized us for us to have an understanding of where our strengths lies and where our weaknesses lie.
Very educative. We've had the chance to practically work through how to bring about changes that we would like to see.
This is my first time of taking this program. When I saw the topic reflect for better performance and achievement, and I said, okay, what am I going to reflect on? Because I didn't know there was this good program going to come on.
This program is a reassessment for those who are there and is an eye-opener for those who are coming for the first time.
When we started, honestly, I was thinking to myself, how is all of this going to come together? I couldn't see the larger picture.
When I entered the room and I saw the setup, the stickers, the drawings, I was amazed. In fact, I like their activities.
Excellent. We saw all of us working together as a group, each of us coming out with his own ideas, and then you realize that all the ideas that we brought together, they all fall under a certain common theme.
My group worked on something that took a lot of brainstorming, and at the end of the day, we were very satisfied with what we were able to put together.
We've reflected on a lot of issues. A lot of people have shared a lot of ideas that are amazing.
It's a very successful program. De-stressing, collaborating, the interactive nature of it is more or less a stakeholder meeting.
Together we had a good program, and based on that we were able to achieve a lot. One interesting thing is that always Dr. Adey will make it, all the ideas and solutions and strategies will be coming from the participants.
The facilitator is fantastic.
He knows his job, he knows what he's about, and then how to keep the audience awake and interested in his presentations.
It's not suppressing. You want all ideas to come. Give everybody a chance.
We moved from table to table to ensure that we understood what needed to be done.
I believe strongly that he's a good facilitator, he knows the subject, and he should always be consulted by those who wanted to make impact, not just in Ghana, but beyond Ghana and Africa.
This is a fantastic program that brings various people of specialties within the College of Health Sciences together.
Very good job done. Once in a while, we are able to refresh a little bit away from the stresses. That's going to enhance our health. If such a program could be maintained, to be a plus for the college.
I think other colleges will also have to come on board and have such a retreat. We have enjoyed it.
We saw the benefit that we had with the first retreat, which was facilitated by Lead It Africa. That is what motivated the management of the college to engage the firm. The key component that we wanted has to do with the change management, which we were happy to have Lead It Africa facilitating it. And I believe the staff are happy, especially those who are experiencing this type of workshop for the first time.
I would actually recommend it for other colleges.
It's painful if anyone misses this program because it is not just for personal development, it is actually for intellectual development.
I would recommend it for other organizations. As a religious sister, I was thinking about how I can get Lead It Africa to come and speak to our institute, because I think the ideas are phenomenal.
I have benefited from the training offered by the Lead It Africa.
Any university, any organization that want to progress, it should bring this type of training. And this person, this consortium that is handling it, should be used by people that want to achieve better things in Ghana.
We appreciate the support that Lead It Africa has been given to us. It has been fantastic.